All right, let's dive into this whole question of family resemblance.
You know that question everyone gets asked? Let's explore two very different answers.
So for our first speaker, it's a clear split. Looks from mom, personality from dad. And our second speaker, also a mix, but, with a few other influences in there.
Okay, first up, let's talk about looks, starting with what our first speaker inherited. He got his mom's eyes and skinny build, but not that bigger frame from his dad's side. Now, for speaker number 2, her experience is a totally different story. It's pretty interesting.
She's pretty much a carbon copy of her mom, right down to the facial expressions.
All right, so we've covered looks. What about personality? This is where it gets a little more complex.
Our first speaker absolutely got his dad's calm and relaxed nature. A really clear connection there.
Let's switch over to speaker 2, whose personality is kind of like a cocktail from different people.
She got her dad's logic and humor, but that super high energy? Nope, that's from grandma.
Which is a great reminder that sometimes these traits can completely skip a generation.
So what's the big takeaway? We are all this completely unique blend of family traits.
Looking at them side by side really shows you just how differently all these traits can be passed down.
It just goes to show, our family story is written all over us, inside and out.
So it all boils down to this one question. What's the unique combination that makes you, you?